There are so many ways on how to make money with images, and in this video I will be showing you an easy method, how you can make money with free images. Don't worry, you won't be needing to take photos with your camera. Actually, you don't need a camera at all, or any previous skills and experiences for this method. It is 100% free and available worldwide. This means it doesn't matter which country you're from, you can also make money with this new strategy. What I love the most about this is that it is so easy and it doesn't take much of our time. You can do this in less than 30 minutes. All you need is your computer, laptop or smartphone with an internet connection. So keep on watching, because I will be showing you a free tool and a cool website that will let you start making hundreds or even thousands of dollars in the comfort of your home. But before we start, welcome to Make Money Kimball, where we teach you how to make money online the simplest way. Make sure to subscribe to this channel and don't forget to click on the notification bell, so whenever we upload a new video on how to make money, you will be updated and start making money. And also, please give this video a big thumbs up, and if you ever have any concerns, questions and opinions about this video, don't be shy and leave a comment below. Now let's get back to the video. So as Elle said before, this method won't take much of your time, as it is very easy to do. During this video, I will be showing you a platform where you can get a free tool and free images. In this website where you can use those free images to start making money. Make sure to pay close attention and don't skip any parts, as I'm about to show you step by step on how you can earn money using free images. When creating graphics with Spark, you simply pick your photo, add your text, and select the design filters so that your final image catches your visitor's eyes. ADOBE Spark is built with beginners in mind. A lot of their other software offerings have fairly steep learning curves, but Spark has been minimized to the bare essentials, so it's accessible for all. You can quickly build a one-page website from your laptop, iPad, iPhone, or Chromebook, wherever you happen to be. All you have to do is follow the steps below and you'll have a website online. It's as simple as that. To use this builder, you'll need to create a free account with Adobe. You can either do this online, or you can simply download the mobile Spark Page app and start building your site from the mobile app. The entire suite of tools bundled with Adobe Spark is entirely free to use. This allows total beginners to create incredible designs and one-page websites that rival that of a professional graphic design. You also don't have to create a separate login with Adobe, as you can use your Facebook or Google account to log in and start building. Spark Post allows you to create beautiful graphics in seconds. You can use them for a variety of purposes, including online announcements, blog post images, social media posts, Facebook ads, or even as banners for your various social media profiles. Social media is a great way to engage with your customers online, and Spark makes it easy for you to create content that is shareable via social media. For example, you might create square-shaped graphics that will look great on Instagram, headers for use as covers on Facebook or Twitter, shareable posters and infographics, animated stories and other videos to craft a compelling story. Now let's get to the website that will pay you money for your service. The website that we will be using is called DESIGNCROWD, but don't skip the video because you don't know how to earn using this site. On DESIGNCROWD, buyers post their projects on which you can give it a try. You need to satisfy your clients with your work and skills. Many graphic designer freelancers are earning more than $1,000 per month without any investment. They give their best out of best and make a considerable amount in less time. As you start growing your skills and experience over hereabouts, you will also begin earning over here. So basically, DESIGNCROWD is a freelancing website where similar buyers and designers work. Over here, many big brands get their projects done by popular, outstanding designers. Here, the same designers work on a project which is posted by a seller. Signing up at DESIGNCROWD is a piece of cake. You will just need to fill in some of your basic details and confirm your mail address. Make sure you select "I'm a designer" while registering so that you will be able to work on various design jobs. There are two primary methods of making money with DESIGNCROWD. We will discuss them one by one. Number 1, create your design services. This is one of the traditional methods of making money on any of the freelance websites, and DESIGNCROWD also has it. You can create your own design service that you can provide to potential clients. It is similar to creating services on Fiverr and Upwork. You will need to define your service and also the rate that you will charge to the client. A sample screenshot of the design service window is shown below. Once you create the design, it will be the task of DESIGNCROWD to look out for your potential clients. If any client selects your service, you will be notified via email. 2. DESIGNCROWD jobs. Unlike other freelance marketplaces like Fiverr and Upwork, you will not need to search for clients here. The best thing about DESIGNCROWD is that even if you are a beginner, you can still work on the jobs and submit your designs. You will be presented with a lot of jobs from different clients, and you can select the appropriate ones and make money out of it. You will be presented with a lot of jobs from different clients, and you can select the appropriate ones and make money out of it. You will find a huge category of jobs here, starting from logo design to APP design. All the jobs run as competition here, and you will need to compete with other designers. The best design gets the entire amount allocated to the job. On average, logo design jobs pay $150. This is a lot of money, and hence if you are good at it, you are definitely going to make a huge amount of money from here. Small tip, always do jobs on which a small number of designers are working, as that will increase your probability of making more money. Now, the best thing about DESIGNCROWD. Unlike other big marketplaces like Fiverr and Upwork, where you have to promote your services in the initial days, DESIGNCROWD helps you get through this barrier. There is no need to search for clients. The approach of DESIGNCROWD jobs is competition-based, which makes it easier for anyone to work without searching for clients. Fixed payment retail. The jobs have a fixed rate, which means there will be no negotiation after you complete them. You will get the entire amount. Disadvantages of DESIGNCROWD. As the jobs in DESIGNCROWD are competition-based, you will always have to compete with a few other designers, so it is highly unlikely that you will win it every time. Now you can decide if it's a good fit for you or not. If you are looking out for instant work, then DESIGNCROWD is the best place. DESIGNCROWD payment process. You can define your payment methods under the payout sections in your profile. It currently has 2 payment options, which are PayPal and Payoneer. It also provides the flexibility to choose different payment providers for payments less than $100 and payments for more than $100. Hope you liked the video and will definitely earn some cash through this. If you find it helpful, do share it with your friends and check out our other earning videos linked in the description. And if you guys enjoyed this video, then please drop a like and subscribe to Make Money Kimball for more videos on how you can earn money online in 2022. And also comment something so that we can help you earn more money online.